Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into three cool tech topics: VPNs, data analytics, and LiFi. Let's get started. First up, VPNs or virtual private networks. Think of a VPN like a secure tunnel through the internet. When you connect to a VPN, your online activity is encrypted and routed through a private server. This makes it safe from hackers or prying eyes. It's like traveling in a hidden car on a public road. Your location and data stay private. VPNs are great for security and accessing content worldwide. Next, let's talk about data analytics. Imagine a detective solving a case. Well, data analytics does something similar by analyzing huge amounts of data to find patterns, trends, or insights. It helps businesses make better decisions by turning raw data into useful information. From predicting customer behavior to improving products, data analytics unlocks the secrets hidden in numbers. Finally, let's explore LiFi, or light fidelity. Picture your Wi-Fi, but instead of using radio waves, LiFi uses light to transmit data. It's like turning your LED light bulb into an internet connection. Because LiFi uses visible light, it's extremely fast and ideal for environments where radio waves can't be used, like hospitals or airplanes. Just flip the light switch and you're online. And there you have it. VPNs for secure browsing, data analytics for smart decisions, and LiFi for super-fast internet through light. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.